I'm better. I can see you now. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. Wow, you got me with your logic.
All right, guys. Today we've got Judge Oakley going head-to-head with a cocky stoner kid who thinks he's the main character in a courtroom drama. This dude is completely lost in life, acting like the laws don't even apply to him. But Judge Oakley is about to give him the rudest wake-up call of his life. Let's jump right in, and tell me in the comments if you think this kid will actually listen to Judge Oakley, or if he's just going to walk out, roll another blunt, and keep it moving.
Mr. Vick, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Where's your attorney then? Who's your attorney?
I don't have one.
Then you're doing it without one, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it without one, or you want to talk to one of ours?
I'll do it without one.
Okay. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. All right. All right, I've got a ticket here, and the prosecutor says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and we're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge of reckless. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you?
17.
All right, I understand you're almost done with school?
Yes, sir.
Then what's your plan?
I've been trying to get a job ever since I was 7, and then
Stop right there. Stop right there. Where have you been trying to get a job?
I'm trying to get a job at the service yard at Holiday Inn at the apartments.
Okay. Why do I have a ROA for double parking? We've already got a ROA for it? Oh.
So everything.
It's confusing. No, it's not the way I'm used to saying it. I thought we had 2 tickets going. Okay, all right. Where else have you looked?
I looked at the bait shop in Logo,
Okay.
and I also looked at Walmart and Buffalo Wild Wings.
And nobody's hiring you?
Well, Walmart, I don't know, but I can't get a response from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm trying to go to the holidays.
Okay. Okay, all right. You got a driver's license? Yeah, transportation's gonna be an issue then. All right. So what's your long-term plan? Done with high school, then what?
I'm trying to be an engineer.
So you're going to school somewhere.
Hopefully that's.
Where and when?
Well, I graduate this year, and maybe I hope to go to college. Maybe by the time I'm 19.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Nothing really.
Then why aren't you going to college now? As soon as you graduate?
I'm trying to finish school right now.
No, as soon as you graduate.
As soon as I graduate.
Yeah. Why aren't you planning on being in school somewhere in the fall?
I really didn't need a lot of that, but.
When did you start smoking dope?
I can already answer that. This dude has probably been smoking since birth. Like the doctor cut the umbilical cord, and he lit up right after. You don't need to be a genius to see it. His eyes are half shut, he's moving at 2 frames per second, and he's got that classic, I have no idea where I am, look. This man screams stoner, with no care in the world except for the Zaza. And listen, being chill is one thing, but showing up in court looking like you just ripped a gravity bomb? That's insane. Honestly, I wouldn't be shocked if he's high right now. What do you guys think? Drop it in the comments.
When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah.
2 years ago.
Okay. How often you hit it?
That often.
What's that mean?
Like barely.
What's that mean? Give me a frequency, brother. Once a month, once a week.
See.
Okay. All right. So on this file, you're not working now, so I'm not going to give you money. I'm not going to charge you fines and costs. I'm going to charge you community service hours. But I also have to give you a little lecture. Dude, I've been doing this a long time. All right? I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years if you don't do something drastic. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. All right? If you're talking about going to school when you're 19, I can guarantee when you're 21, you'll still be talking about going back to school. Guaranteed. I mean, I would bet $100 of mine against one of yours that by then you could come back and we'd still have this conversation about your planning on it. Okay. If you were my nephew, I would put you in a car. I would drive you over to Canton on Ford Road. I would walk you into the recruiting office where you can talk to the Army, the Navy, the Coast Guard, Air Force. They're all in one building. And I would have you go door to door to door and find out what they could offer you if you sign up. Because that's what you need to do. You need to completely shake up your life to make something happen. Have you ever considered it? And I know you don't want to cut your hair, but it'll grow back. Have you ever considered it? Why not?
Because I don't want to.
Why?
Because
that's a valid reason. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one. Listen to me. How are you going to pay for engineering school?
okay, well, if I get a job, I can pay for it. You know?
No, you can't. You can't pay for an engineering degree working at Walmart. You can't. If you join the military, they'll send you to college. You know, every one of the branches of our armed forces have engineers. There are Army engineers, there are Navy engineers. That's a plan, dude. You don't have a plan.
Okay, well, the officer that got fired, well, I did have a plan. The officer that got fired, he should be opening it up.
Officer got you fired.
Yeah.
Okay, where were you working?
The USC,
Okay, and how did you mean a cop?
yeah.
How did the cop get you fired?
He was a member at the USC, and when it happened, I guess he got here to reach the
You mean when this happened? Okay, all right. Okay, so I'll give you that, okay? How's that change what we're talking? We're not talking about this case now. We're talking about your life. How's the cop getting you fired determine whether or not you can afford to go to engineering school?
because I would have had a job to pay for.
The BYC isn't going to pay for 4 years of college, dude. What were you making? $15 an hour?
I mean, I was making about $14,000 a year, so I mean, I'm still.
This dude seriously just said he makes $14,000 a year and was going to go to college if he didn't get fired from his little job. Like, I'm just not buying that at all. That's literally like saying I was totally going to be a doctor, but then McDonald's let me go. Like, come on now. Like, I actually feel bad for this kid though, because if we're being real, it's honestly pretty obvious he doesn't have a male role model in his life to teach him how to act. I mean, judges don't have sympathy, but Judge Oakley here actually cares. I mean, you can just tell by the way he's talking to this kid. I really hope Judge Oakley actually sets him straight here, but honestly, I don't think he is. I mean, this kid seems like he's pretty set in his ways, and if I'm being honest, I don't think this kid is going to go to college, but even if he does, he's just going to drop out, because honestly, I don't think this kid cares for authority, and that goes for like teachers, officers, judges. This dude just doesn't care about anything.
Goodbye.
Honestly, I don't think this kid is going to change. He'll probably go home, light up the za, and act like nothing ever happened. And that's the sad part. So many young guys today are lost. No direction. No discipline. Just drifting through life making reckless choices. Without a strong male role model, this is what happens. Nobody teaches them responsibility, how to move smart, or even how to carry themselves with some basic respect. Instead, they treat court like it's a joke, like the judge is going to dap them up and let them slide. But that's not how the law works. And Judge Oakley is right. He'll probably see this guy again in the future. You can just tell this dude doesn't care. But hey, that's just my take. What do you guys think? Should we feel bad for him, or is he setting himself up for failure? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like and subscribe. I post daily, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care.